In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account in just a few minutes. You can use this method from anywhere around the world, but more specifically, if you're trying to get a PayPal account so that you can start receiving payments, just simply follow the steps and you will have your PayPal account set up, registered, and ready to receive payments in no time at all. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to come to Google like this and just type and say PayPal. As you can see that over there. And Google knows which country you are in by default. So you will find that, for example, when I just scroll down, you will see that it's going to say paypal.com right here. But you will notice it says PayPal ZA because that's the South African prefix or area code, whatever you want to call it. We use ZA. So if you are in Zimbabwe or whatever country, it's going to automatically just change to your country there. You want to look for the one that identifies your country. So because I'm in South Africa, I'm going to click on this first one. And then you will notice that it's paypal.com/ZA/home. And just an idea or something that you can do if you are in a country where PayPal cannot be registered, right? This is another thing that you can do. You can just add the ZA and the home like this, and then you'll be able to register in another country. But please note that it's going to ask you for a phone number to verify. So you definitely need to have someone in that country who's got a phone number that they can verify. But for us who are already in South Africa, this is just going to work simple like this. So once you're here, you're going to come and click where it says sign up, right? And then it's going to ask you, do you want to get a business or a personal one? I'm just going to go for a personal one for now and say get started. The next thing it will ask me for is my email address. I'm just going to put this email address of another YouTube channel that I created. It's called unitedfromafrica@gmail.com. I'm going to put that email address and click on next. And then can you see it's going to ask me for a phone number. Here, I'm just going to put my phone number. Once I put my phone number, I'm just going to click on next. Once you put your phone number, it's going to send you a verification code. You just simply need to copy the code that's sent to your phone and put it in there. But then it will bring you to this next page where it says create a password. So I'm just going to create a password quickly. Once I've created the password, I click on next. Then it's going to ask me for this information. What's my nationality, my first name, my last name, and then my identity. If I click here on identity, I need to choose whether I want to use a national ID, a passport, or a driver's license. And then I put my ID number and then my date of birth. So just fill in these details and then you move on to the next part. Then next is going to ask you for your address. Just make sure that you put the correct address here. Then you need to tick on right here where it says, I confirm that I have read, consent, and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement. If you want, you can go ahead and just click on that. It's going to open up the PayPal user agreement and privacy statement. You can read through that. But for now, I'm just going to continue and say agree and create account. Then as you can see, it says you are in, what's next, send money and shop with ease with your new account. Shop with PayPal, speed through checkout at millions of online shops, or send money, pay someone back, or send money to friends and family. Basically, what it's asking you is that what do you want to do first? I'm just going to say not sure, add card to use later. And then it's going to ask me for my card number. Here, I'm going to put my card number. And then I'm going to put my card type and then the expiration date and then the security code. And then at the bottom is going to be my address. Once you put your details, just click on link card. Then it's going to say, create your username, make it easy to pay you fast. As you can see, by default, it's putting my name there. I want it to be my business name, which is United from Africa. And then I'm going to click on continue. But for you, it can be whatever your name is, that's fine. Then I'm just going to say continue. Then it says accept payments with your email. They've just sent a code to my email address. I need to go to my email address and find the code and then paste it in here. As you can see, this is the email that they sent. I'm just going to copy this quickly like this and then come back to PayPal and then I'll paste that code. And just like that, my PayPal account has been created. And now I can start receiving and sending payments. But another thing that you need to do before you proceed is that you need to come back to your email here and look for any emails that PayPal has sent you. For example, there's this one that says, please confirm your email address. This is one of the verification methods that you need to do on PayPal. If you don't verify your email address, your PayPal account will not work. So I click on that email and then I say confirm my email address. And then I just need to log in again. And then it says your email has been confirmed. I can click on continue. And then I come back to this dashboard again. So just like that, we are done, and your PayPal account is now ready to use, and you can start sending and receiving payments with your account. But just in case you get a notification that your PayPal account is not verified and you don't know what to do, make sure that you watch this video next. That will show you step by step what you can do to verify your PayPal account if it's not already verified through this new PayPal creation method.